Hola amigos, welcome to my kitchen where you can find recipes from my country of origin, Spain. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. This channel is growing and I appreciate to all of you. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi canal. Yo soy Fátima y aquí encontrarás recetas de cocina de mi país de origen, España. Today I'm going to share with you a warm salad. That is a different type of salad. It's a very simple, but it has a different touch that I think sometimes we need in our cooking. Or today we have to make different things so it get wow. You know, today your guests or your family will be a little bit impressed. That is a salad. You know, here I have a mixed salad that you buy in any supermarket. They come washed in a packet. You can use any type of green that you like. I have some cherry tomatoes and some fruit, dry fruit. In that case, I'm going to use cranberry. You can skip that part. And for nuts, you can put any one that you have on hand, or the one that your favorite, or you know, the one that I have here, pine nut that I have toasted, some pecan. Regarding the nuts, I'm going to give you an advice or a tip. I love nuts, and you know when you open a package, sometimes they get raw, they get mochi because you don't use it every day. So what I do, and with any type of nut, when I open it, I put it in a crystal jar and put it in the freezer, and they keep it perfect. And the time you're going to use it, just take it out from the freezer and put it in your salad or in your stew or whenever, or just take it. If you're going to take it, wait a little bit until they get warm temperature, but they will be great. Even if that ones are pine nuts that are already toasted, that I did it and I keep it like that way in the freezer, sorry. And of course some oil and vinegar. In this case, I'm going to use balsamic vinegar because I think for that type of salad we need a sweet vinegar. But if you don't like balsamic, use a regular vinegar. And we have goat cheese. You can buy any goat cheese that you have in your supermarket and just slice it in like, half an inch and, cut it. That is what is going to give us, we're going to fry it, and that is what is going to give the warm part of the salad. So here I have all my lettuce. I'm going to put, that is 1 tablespoon of any nut. I mean, you can add more or skip completely. I have the pecan and the cranberries. I decided to put cranberries because I think that is a little bit of sweet. Then what I do with the tomatoes, I'm going to cut it in half. You can put it that at the end whenever you want it. I just add it to my salad, and I'm going to put some salt. I'm going to do the dressing before. I have the salt. I'm going to put some pepper. I'm going to mix that a little bit, and now I'm going to put some balsamic vinegar. I'm just going to put just a little bit, how you do it, your dressing, and extra virgin olive oil. That is extra virgin. So I just put a little bit here and I mix that really well, all my salad. And in the meantime, I have a pan here and I'm just going to put just a little bit of olive oil, just to the cheese doesn't stick to the pan. So it will be, just a drop. We'll wait until our oil is a little bit hot. And we put our cheese a little bit to warm up the cheese on top of our salad. You see how it gets warm? It's almost melted, but it's not melted. The smell is so good. You see, and then I put some tomatoes around too, and our salad is finished. Don't you think that is different? That is our salad. It looks amazing. And as always, I have to try a little bit of my salad. The warm cheese, you know, is not get melted, and the goat cheese is firm. It have a different flavor. It's so good. If you have enjoyed that video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't done so. I upload every single Thursday, so stay safe, be healthy, and I see you next week. Bye bye. Adios.